que nada, muchas felicidades por haber llegado hasta acá. El día de hoy tenemos 6 proyectos compitiendo por un solo premio. Y aunque quisiéramos que realmente cada uno de ustedes se llevara el premio, la realidad es quién se lo está llevando. Lo que cuenta más allá de un viaje, de un satélite, es el hecho de estar aquí, el hecho de tener, como decía ayer nuestro amigo Villalobos, la experiencia de visitar lugares que no son abiertos al público, de ser parte, digamos que de una misión que están ahorita encabezando virtual del planeta Marte, proyectos de cómo colonizar. La verdad es que mientras nadie vaya al planeta Marte y regrese, pues todos son ideas de cómo debemos de colonizarlos, cómo va a vivir la gente, qué van a hacer los astronautas. Y estas ideas que están presentando ustedes aquí el día de hoy, pueden ser las ideas que realmente lleven al ser humano a que pise por primera vez un planeta que no sea la Tierra. Los felicito de entrada, quiero que estén tranquilos, quiero que disfruten del momento, así lo hemos platicado todos los del grupo de AEXA que sabe eso, orgullosamente. Los jueces estarán evaluándolos, van a dar ustedes su presentación, son 20 minutos entre la presentación, preguntas y respuestas. Todos vamos a poder escuchar la presentación de los demás con la idea de que todos nos nutramos de las ideas, y como lo comenté, y por eso te van a dejar el ladrillo, yo estoy convencido, y lo hacemos todo el equipo que representamos a AEXA, de que esta generación que ustedes representan es la generación que va a tener un cambio importante en la humanidad. Un cambio importante quizás en el espacio, un cambio importante para la tecnología, un cambio bueno. Entonces, pues no lo retraso más, quiero darles una bienvenida, el aplauso a los jueces, el aplauso a ustedes como concursantes. Y empezamos con el primer equipo que es Astrotec.
Hello everybody, good afternoon. We are going to introduce ourselves. She is Cassandra, this is Alejandra, and me, I'm Carla. We are representing Tecnológico de Monterrey in Campus Toluca, is our school. For this project we decided to develop a habitat prototype and make it as sustainable as possible. Where no man or woman has lived before. So how we are going to do this? Many people have think how to get to Mars, but know how to stay there. We take into account this important topic, and we decided to develop the project that can be useful in the near future.
So our prototype is going to be dome, and we like to call it Home Sweet Dome. The dome is going to be made of carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is a very light high chemical resistance, high temperature tolerance, and it's also steel. Then we're going to cover this with films that will help with the radiation, and this is the there is a special film that will be here, and it's going to protect the dome from radiation. Also, it will help to use less energy because it will save 30% of the energy. It's also very cheap, and I would like to tell that these films were created by engineers of our university. radiation. And we select the equator. Like the poles of Mars, where the weather is more extreme. So we want to protect our dome and to have controlled the situation to make it not suffer damage. Then in the equator we have more possibility of use more the solar cell panel. Then our dome is divided into sections. The first section is the reception. There is gonna be a special disinfectant to aware the dome of the entering of foreign particles that may jeopardize the dome. So everything entering or exiting the dome must pass through here. Then we have the parking lot where we're gonna put the shuttles and the robots coming from outside. And here they are already disinfected of everything. Then we have the zone of work. In work, it is there will be like a laboratory, because we think that we still need to make investigations of the land to expand more. So our dome is going to have a laboratory where the rocks or any other sample would be analyzed more easy that we send it to the earth and analyze, and it will save the cost of that, of the translation of the sample to the earth. So we're going to put a laboratory here. And this zone is going to have also a repair room where we're going to put the tools and everything needed in case our dome have a problem or an emergency or something like that.
There will be an area for electric generators, and we are going to apply the solar panels. The PV cells produce electricity, so the light arrives to the solar panels and generates electric energy, then converts it into alternative energy, and this kind of energy goes to the monitoring system, and in this section the light is going to be sustainable into the dome. Now, the fuel cells are high efficiency energy converters that generate electricity from the hydrogen and oxygen. Now, the polymer electrolyte member method consists of an electrolyte membrane that conducts protons and separates the positive terminal from the negative terminal. The great advantage of fuel cells is that the water is a byproduct.
The waterless green bathroom, it is a system in which two separate separate the stool and the urine. It would need no water. It would have two chambers. When one is working, the other will be the rest. It would save 50% of water. Also, when the stool rows will be used to make it fertilized, but we will use a special thing where we can eliminate the odor and the gases, because well, imagine to have this odor and gases into the dung. It will be too grateful there. Well,
So we have another part that is where we're going to have the grass and the plants. And the methods we're going to use for this are, one is hydroponics. There are so many methods of hydroponics. We're going to use three. One of these is the rooting system. This system do not require of light, so it's going to be isolated with only some holes in the lower part where the roots of the plant is going to obtain the nutrients that it's going to be in water. And so with this method, we can grow lettuce.
Okay, now another type of hydroponic is the substrate technique. The substrate technique consists in producing resources that hold up the plant while maintaining the humidity aeration, drainage, and the absorption of nutrients. Now, I want to explain also another room that is the recreation space. The recreation space will be formed by a dining room where the people will be socialize each other, and also there will be an exercise area. Exercise needed is needed to not lose bone density, to make the people more healthy. Also, there will be sleeping chambers where the people is gonna take rest.
well, the water tank, we will have the water tank. The objective of this water tank is to recycle the wastewaters. It is divided into two sections. The first one would be where the water would purify, and the second one it will be like bonds in this tank water to make the water goes to all the section of the drum. Also, in the rooms, it will have containers where the water will arrive there. This in order that their dome will be protected for the radiation, because the water is a good element to avoid the radiation.